So now that we've got our menu up here. Awesome, that's great. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change this actual menu header here, this menu up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in a tiny bit of custom CSS, some additional CSS here that's going to help us to be able to change this to be a background color of whatever we'd like. So what I want you guys to do is go through and download the folder that I've created for you guys that it's going to have all the templates that we're going to be soon using for this building our website with our page builder, but it's also got a section with some custom CSS that's really going to help us with this website. So what I want you to do is, once you've downloaded that link, which is in the description of this video, okay, so once you've clicked that link, you're going to be brought to this here. And so this is our folder. All I want you to do is simply hit download all. Okay, so once that is done, we're going to just simply open that file, and you're going to need, because it automatically zips it, you're going to need a program that opens up zip folders. So there's plenty of free ones out there. The one that I use is called WinZip. So simply just download that if you don't already have a program to open the zip folders. And yeah, it'll allow you to open it. So what we want to do is we're just going to take this folder here and we're going to extract it somewhere. So I'm just going to put it onto the desktop because that's going to be the easiest place for me to put it for you guys. So we're just going to say OK. We're going to see this one here, and we're going to have our one called custom CSS. So all I want you to do is open this up, and don't worry, all we need to do is copy and paste that. And if we go back to additional CSS, we simply, here we paste it in, so Control V, or we paste it in. And okay, so as you can see, our menu has changed to that white there. We'll change we need to just change the display of the menu so we can actually see it. But as you can see, it's that nice white color. You'll notice I've got a few extra ones here. You guys don't really need to worry about what they mean, but basically just understand that they help when we're building our website for it to come together a bit better. But see here, we can actually, if you don't want to have it as white, you can essentially change it to whatever color you like, because what this means is red, green, blue. Okay, so if I put this down to, let's just give you an example, 100. Oh, we've got a nice pink there. So if we put it here, we can say 100. So we've got the blue, and maybe let's see what happens if we do 100, 100, 100, and it turns to a grey color. So you could put that down to 50. You could put it to 0. Really, you could have a little bit of a play around to create some colors for you. But I think we'll just go with the nice white. I think that looks the most professional. Okay, so once you've got all that put in there, we can just simply leave that. Now let's make sure that we can see these menu items here. Okay, so we're going to go back to colors, and we're going to go to header, and we're going to go to top level menu items. I'm going to change that from white, and we're going to make them black, I think, like that. Okay, so easy as that, we can now see our header, our menus. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys how to add in a logo up here. So we might want to, just in case you guys don't have a logo, so I'll just show you how we can change the site title. We'll make that black so it shows up for us. Okay, so if you're just going to have text up there, easy as that. So let's go back to our site title. So we just simply hit select and you'd go to upload, select your file, and then it would come to your media library. So I've already got one ready, so I'm just going to simply hit that and hit choose image. Okay, so there we go. Now we've got our logo up in the corner there, which looks a lot more professional. Okay, so another very important thing to do is we've fixed up our menu so that it's actually displaying now over this white background we've put there. But if you click these little icons down here, what they do is they show you what it looks like on a tablet and what it looks like on a mobile. Now you'll notice that we can't see our menu items. That's because they're set to still be at the white color. So what we want to do is we want to go back to colors again, and we want to go to header, and we want to go down to where it says mobile menu button, okay? And we want to change that to black, okay? So if we look back now, once it updates, you'll see that our menu comes up black like that, okay? Okay, so that's done. So now when people visit your site on the mobile, they're going to be able to actually access your menu. Okay, so there's our menu done. Let's go back. I'm just going to show you one other little thing that is important for you guys. Just say you've got your menu here, and what happens if you don't like that order? What if happens if you want to have services before a blog? Easy, or you can just simply drag it above it, and now live it will actually change it. So we can easily change them to whatever order you'd like to have in that way there. We're basically ready to now get on to the actual using our page builder, which you're going to find, you're going to just see just how easy it is. So before we can go into using this page builder and using the templates that I've created for you guys, we've just got one last thing that we need to do. So if you go back to our main area, we're going to go to header area, and then we're going to go to header type, and we're going to say that we actually don't want any header. So it's going to remove this one that already comes with the website theme. We're going to hit no header, because you'll see in a moment why we actually get rid of that, okay? So don't worry. And then we're going to get rid of no header either on pages, okay? Alright, so that's all of our, we've now got our site ready to start using our page builder. All we do now, make sure you hit publish so that it makes all those changes we've just done live, and you can then exit out of our customization.